Hello friends, welcome of all of you once again in my YouTube channel English Guruji. So आज हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ओके राइट. But before starting from this tense that I would like to acquaint you with the identification, पहचान कि इस सेंटेंस को हम कैसे पहचान सकते हैं if we have the Hindi sentences, right? Okay, so at the end of the Hindi sentences what comes? रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है. But I think that you are getting confused here that ये तो हमने continuous tense में भी पढ़ा था, right? But here the one thing that is differentiating this tense from the continuous, that is what? The time. Okay, in this tense the time is given there. Okay, there is a time, that is a period of time and then point of time. And when period of time comes in the continuous perfect continuous tense, then we use for, right? And in case of the point of time we use since, right? So sometimes we are also getting confused that where we have to use for and where we have to use since, right? So here I have made a table for you so that you can understand well that where we can use since and where we can use for, right? So here serial number, description, okay, use of for and use of since, right? So these word for and since we are using before the point of time and period of time. Clear? So first one, days. Okay, if we talk about the name of the days, right? Sometimes you know that we speak like this, that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So when the name of the days come, then what we can do, that we can use since before the name of days. Since Monday, since Tuesday, right? Okay, but if we count the days, right? So in that case what we do, that we use for before the days. Okay, okay, for 2 days, 3 days, right? For 4 days. Okay, so next is months. Okay, next क्या है? Months है, right? So when there the name of the months come, then what we can do, that we can make the use of since before the name of the months. Since January, since February, since March, since April, right? Okay, and if we count the months, then in that case we can make use of for before that. Okay, for 1 month, for 2 months, okay, like this, for 3 months, for 10 months, right? Okay, then in case of the year, what we can do, that we can use for before the year when we count them, right? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, like this. Okay, then comes what, that exact okay year is given there, right? So that is point of time. As we talk about 1975, 2019, 2008, okay, right? So before that we can use since 1975, since uh, 2019, since 2008. Okay, so this is the way, right? So next is what, that is time. Okay, when we talk about the time, then we can find what, that when there is exact time is given, right? Okay, so in case we use it since 2 o'clock, since 5 p.m., since 9 a.m., right? So before that we can use since. Okay, but when we talk about the period of time like this, that 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, right? So in that case we can use for, okay, before them, right? And in case of the minutes also, for 10 minutes, for 2 minutes, right? Okay, so there is one more case, that is what, parts of day, right? So before the parts of day, that we can use since. Parts of day means हम डे, एक दिन के जो हैं वो पार्ट्स कर देते हैं, लाइक मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग. ओके, सो before that we can use since morning, right? Is it clear? Okay. And then there is one more case, right? That is when we are using, that last month, okay, last few days, right? So when before the last the is coming, then we can use for the last month, right? And in case of last there is not the, then we can use since last month, since last week. Okay, so this is the way, right? Now one thing is there that I have not written. Okay, so that is a use of the helping verb. Okay, so which helping verb we can use in this tense? We can make the use of has been, okay, and have been, right? As you have read in the previous one tense, that is present perfect tense, that there is use of has and have, right? So in that case, with which type of the subjects we were using, okay, has and have, in this tense we can use in the same way, right? Okay, with he she it means singular, we can use has. With plural subjects and I, right, we can use have. Okay, and then what, there is one more confusion, that what we can do in case of the verb, that is main verb. So in case of the main verb, what we can do, that we can write first form of the verb along with the ing. Okay, so I have given here the example of playing. Clear? I think all of you have understood this thing very well. Now we can take one sentence, right? So we will start from the affirmative sentence or the simple sentence. Clear? In case of the simple sentence, what we can do? Right? Firstly, subject, then use of the helping verb, that is has been and have been. Okay, helping verb, then verb first form along with ing, and then object. So in case of the object, that there will be the use of since and for also, right? So that you can do as according to the sentence, right? Okay, so here we can take the example in Hindi of the one sentence, right? जैसे बच्चा 2 घंटे से खेल रहा है. Okay, so how we can write that? बच्चा, the child, जो यहाँ पे जो चाइल्ड है, ये क्या बन गया यहाँ पे? सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज द डूअर, वन हु डज एनी एक्शन, राइट? द चाइल्ड, okay, child is singular, so which helping verb we can use here? Has been. Okay, the child has been playing. In case of playing, you can use be playing, okay, right? But 2-3 minutes, like that, okay, for 2 minutes. Okay, the child has been playing for 2 hours. So if you will have any confusion, you can follow the chart, which that I have told you about, right? And next sentence, that is negative. So in case of the negative sentence, what we can do? We can use subject, okay, then helping verb. So here a little bit confusion is there, because we are going to use not. Okay, so here you can make the use of not between has and been. Okay, has not been and have not been, right? Okay, then verb first form plus ing and then object. Okay, so now you can convert this sentence into the negative. The child, what comes after? Has not been, then verb playing for 2 hours. बच्चा 2 घंटे से नहीं खेल रहा है. Right? Okay. We can proceed for the next. That is interrogative. Okay. So interrogative is what? We ask question, right? So here the interrogative sentence, right? In interrogative sentence, use of the helping verb, that is has and have according to the subject. Okay, then subject, then been, and after that verb, first form, ing, and then object. Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay, so here you can convert the sentence again. That what was our sentence? The child has been playing for 2 hours. So you can convert that in order to ask the question. Has the child been playing for 2 hours? Sign of interrogation at the end, right? Then negative interrogative. So in case of the negative interrogative sentence, has and have before the subject, then not, then been, and then verb first form along with ing, and then object, then sign of interrogation. Change this sentence. ठीक है, इसमें क्या, जैसे मैं इसको कन्वर्ट भी कर देता हूँ. हैज द चाइल्ड बीन प्लेइंग फॉर 2 आवर्स? क्या बच्चा 2 घंटे से खेल रहा है? अब यहाँ पे क्या बच्चा 2 घंटे से नहीं खेल रहा है? हाउ यू कैन राइट दैट? हैज द चाइल्ड not been playing for 2 hours? Okay, at the end sign of interrogation, because it is a negative interrogative sentence, right? Okay, so now it's your time to do the homework. So I'll give you few verbs and you have to use them in the sentences, right? Okay, so we have here the few verbs. You can use them in your own sentence, right? Okay, so verb, that is fight, then wait, then check, then create and discover, right? Fight मतलब लड़ना, राइट? वेट इंतजार करना, चेक जैसे आप चेकिंग करते हैं कोई भी, ठीक है, पेपर वगैरह या कुछ भी हो गया, ठीक है. ओके, क्रिएट, ठीक है, कोई तैयार करना, किसी चीज़ की रचना करना, राइट? एंड डिस्कवर, खोज करना, राइट? जैसे हु डिस्कवर्ड द बल्ब, राइट? सो in this way, right? So here I want to tell you about the past and past participle. Fight, fought, fought, F-O-U-G-H-T, right? And then wait, waited, waited, check, checked, checked, create, created, created, discover, discovered, discovered. Okay, so hopefully that you will do your homework, right? And will learn the tenses very soon. Thank you for watching the video.